Guys, this week, and today I'm going to show you how to create smoke to add to this image, and it's very easy to do it. So let's just get to it. But don't forget to subscribe. Okay, first we need to just create new layer here, new layer. Then we just choose this color, white color. Okay, so this is the color we're going to use, and then we'll move to brush tool. Okay, then we come to pencil tool, this one. Okay, and click caps lock to show the pointer. So I'm going to just make it like this, size like this. Okay, then I will hold shift and I will drag it to top. Okay, something like this. Yeah, so other thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna convert it to click eraser tool. Okay, everything I just complete, the convert is always complete. So only thing you're going to do is that you're going to go to filter and add Gaussian blur, okay, to something like that, 30.4, okay, pixel. Yeah, then we hit OK, then we choose smart tool. Okay, this one. Okay, then the hardness to be around 0. Okay, then we'll just increase this pointer, and you have to make sure that it's going to be around, let's say 70. Then we'll hold it to here and hold it to here, hold it. Okay, so this is how you're gonna create it, and it's very easy to do it. Okay, so other thing we're gonna do is that the opacity, we're gonna reduce this numbers to around, let's say 66, and we choose eraser tool, and the opacity should be around 50. Okay, then just increase this one, the eraser tool, then we hit on it. Okay, so this is how it is. Then we add the Gaussian blur, something like this. Okay, and this too. Okay, so that's it. That's how it's gonna create it. Okay, to get everything you need to know about this stuff. So guys, subscribe to my page and let's just do a lot of things. See you for the next video. Bye.